Hey everyone, are you ready to meet your new creative companion? WhatsApp has introduced the all-new WhatsApp AI, the ultimate tool to boost your creativity and English skills. Need to write an official leave application? No worries. WhatsApp AI has got you covered. Are you a content or blog writer struggling to find the right words? Let WhatsApp AI do the magic for you. And guess what? Even visual designers can now rely on WhatsApp AI to get things done effortlessly. For more amazing videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay creative, stay ahead with WhatsApp AI.